Okay, everybody, welcome back. A nice retail pack. Walmart special. We opened a box earlier. Pretty nice stuff. Panini Prizm. 12 cards. I used to use scissors until I chopped the card off. I don't use scissors no more. Pretty good stuff in here. Insert's pretty hot. Obby's beef and hot hits. Get your Panini points. A bunch of bulls right there, bud. Bunch of prisms. Bunch of crazy stuff. Kaleidoscope prism. Green, navy blues. I can't read it. Burgundy cracked ice. Yeah. I'll take a picture and it'll be in there afterwards. Or, you know what? There's right there. That's pretty good. Basically telling you that you might get it, but you probably won't. Unless you get the hobby box, if there's one out there. Okay. Let's open it up. By the way, if you need some card stands, need some risers, come visit me on eBay. KC Card and Stand. Got some cards on there. We'll have a few more. Oh, there's looking something good back there, bud. What is it, bud? Ooh, that was not in the last one. Got a nice little Garrett Cole. Corey Seager. I haven't seen any numbered or where the. Oh, Mark McGuire. Look at that dude. That dude was nasty back in the day. I like how they put the oldies in there. Jose Ramirez. Freddie Freeman. This rookie's coming up. Alejandro Kirk from Toronto. Brandon Lowe. I got a couple inserts popping back here. A little bit of Nelson Cruz. Very nice. Are you still playing? Derek Hill from Detroit. I don't know what this is. Luis Patino, rookie card. Little red prism, maybe. Oh! It's numbered. I like that number. 20 out of 99. That's a beaut right there, bud. You got some Jake Wilford. Insert Lumber Incorporated. Juan Soto. A little pit mark right there. Nice job, Panini. There you go. Very nice card. Put a pimple in it. Juan Soto. That's a pretty sweet card. The stories on these are awesome. Lumber Incorporated. Juan Soto. That's a nice little. I'm sure what that is. You got the bonus pack in there. Daily bonus. Feels bonusy. I think I got a bonus. Feel a bonus. Raging bonus pack. There. Who's that old dude? Victor Gonzalez. Oh, a nice little red, white, blue Joey Votto. See looking card right there. Joey Rasmussen. Calvin Biggio. Is that Craig's son? Probably. Noah Syndergaard. Poor Mets. Go Royals, huh? Brooks Robinson. That dude looks like an old card. Probably just should have made another showy. And Victor Gonzalez. It's a pretty nice pack. Panini Prizm baseball. 2021. Not too many. Typically, really, ain't nothing much to show. Some red, white, and blues. That's now number incorporated. And I got that red prism, I guess. Red wave. It's pretty nice. Butte. Card&Stand.